If you want to know how to get Fortnite Sidekick Points in 2026, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So there's a couple of eligibility and requirements you need to fulfill. The first thing you need to do is need to link your Lego Fortnite and Fortnite OG account in order to earn Sidekick Points. Make sure that your Epic Games is connected. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and play Lego Fortnite or Fortnite OG, and you can earn Sidekick Points by playing it. The longer you play, the more points you earn, by the way. So you earn points automatically for playing and completing various activities like playtime, complete quests, daily login, event missions, survive storm phases, explore and discover, and many, many more. You can also go ahead and check your points by going into Sidekick menu to view your total. And you can also complete Sidekick quests that are available to go ahead and claim more. You can also claim event and bonus rewards like Sidekick points bonus events, like weekly bonus goals, community events, and limited time events. You can actually spend the points that you earned into emotes and many, many outfits. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.